Good afternoon. It's great to see you and welcome back to the shop, where today we're going to do something I've been wanting to do for a while. Today we're going to be making a compost bin, and this should be a pretty quick build. We're going to do this pretty quickly, so stick with me and we'll get right to it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sharpen 4 of these 2x4s that I've got left over from taking apart pallets. These are going to be our corner posts, so we're just going to pound them into the ground, and then we're going to use other leftover pallet wood pieces to build the sides. So let's do that real quick. I'm not going to bother to measure these. I'm just going to simply put a point on them by cutting a piece off here with my circular saw. Just going to cut a wedge into this. That's one. That's two. That's three. And here we go with the fourth one. Let's go in the back here by the shed, where I've got a little compost already started. You can see the pile right there. And yeah, I want to use that for some gardening soil next spring. And best time to do that here is in the fall. And I think we're going to put it right here. This is as good a place as any, I guess. Maybe right about here is good. That's pretty good. Maybe that far apart. You can see we're doing. You can see this. We're doing this in a very scientific method, measuring very carefully. We want to make sure everything is nice and square. Okay, maybe not so much. And there we go. I forgot to get my level, because God, we want to make sure that that's nice and level. That looks about right. I'm going to be very, very precise and scientific about this. Otherwise, you know, it won't be right. All right, that's pretty good. Just using some leftover screws here, some spare leftover boards. Not getting too technical here. All right, well, that was quick. Didn't take long. Not exactly precision carpentry, but it doesn't need to be. It's just a bin. It's probably going to be torn apart in the spring after I get rid of this compost pile. Going to take all of these mulched up leaves here, put them in here, wet them down, and let them do their thing over the winter and turn into some nice compost for planting in the spring. See, like that. That's stuff from last year. Look at that. That's good stuff. I'm going to fill this up and kind of wet down each layer as it goes. That's what we're looking for next spring. So I'm going to give this a good soaking every layer or so, every foot or so. I guess that helps things decompose quicker. I don't know why, but I guess it does. I guess if you think about rot, things that get wet rot a lot faster. So, you know, I'm just doing what they tell me to do. All right, put another layer on. Let's go. It's getting there. Maybe I should have made it bigger. I guess I can always add on. I just might do that. I got a lot of wood left over there that I don't know what to do with. I was going to cut it up for firewood, but maybe I'll just make this a little bit longer because I got a lot more leaves. But hey, it's a start. Yeah, I'm going to definitely need to add on to this. Maybe I'll make it even wider here up the front. But this is a good start. We'll get her nice and wet. Well, maybe I'll make a second bin right here facing that way. I want it to face the sun so it gets good and hot. So yeah, maybe I'll just make a second bin right there, because I want to be able to get in here and turn this stuff over. Put some nitrogen in here and put some coffee grounds and some vegetable peelings in here, and just let it ferment all winter long, so that come spring I've got, pretty good base to put down. And then I'm probably going to tear these down and either cut them up or burn them. I'd like to make this whole area back here a garden. I don't know if I'll put the garden in the ground or whether I'll make garden beds, but either way, this is going to be some good topsoil for that. That's the plan anyhow. We'll see how it goes. So stick around, you might see me building another one. If you enjoyed this, give us a like, leave a comment, subscribe. We'd love it if you would subscribe. That helps the channel a lot. And stay tuned. We'll have another video out soon.